What is up, beautiful babes? Hello, hello, welcome into the channel. Y'all, excuse me for looking all busted and crusty, but your girl is into her maintenance right now. I am going to get this face taken care of, peach fuzz shaved off. I don't use anything like sudsy or anything to shave my face. I do use my little razor here, my little dermaplaning tool, and a little aloe derma gel. Aloe derma. Yeah, this is aloe vera and some other good ingredients in here. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now. And then I'm going to do my IPL hair removal because your girl do have a little chin hair that grows still, and it's been such a long time since I did that treatment. Trying to get these little peach fuzz and all that good stuff off the face, girl. It's been a minute. I'll be honest with you, I haven't even thought about doing any maintenance lately. Cause your girl just been doing her thing though. I've been working. So let me go ahead and start on this. You can watch. Hey, go ahead.
But I'm just getting started, hun. Got a fire burning under my skin. You can call it my second wind, my second wind, my second chance. I'm stepping out, I'm gonna dance. The years try to quiet my song, but baby, I'm still singing strong. But gray hair don't mean I'm through. It's just wisdom peeking through. Every season's got its glow, and I'm brighter than you'll ever know. Don't count me out, I'm counting. Feeling lighter than I've ever been. This heart still beats in rhythm and rhyme. Ain't nothing lost, just right on time. I got my second wind. Feeling young again. This ain't the end. This is where I begin.
All right, that part is done. So while my face is kind of drying, I will go ahead and just put on some eye mask right now. You know, like I said, I'm just taking a little time out to pamper myself because probably from this week on out is going to be a lot of content creation going on. Y'all, I don't use my eye mask like I should, and I swear they're drying up. So your little eye mask, be sure you use them. Don't just let them sit around and look cute in a drawer. I just sometimes don't have a moment to pause, and that is what happens to things you don't use. Ooh, girl. Put something on these lips. Okay, we got that done. And I think my face is getting getting where it needs to be. So how did you get unplugged, girl? Oh, I forgot. I turned my office around, so that's the reason for that. But y'all know about my little hair removal device. Y'all know about my little hair removal device. This I've been using, I don't even know how long. Has it been a couple of years? It may have been. You know, I really don't. I don't even know. It's been a couple of years, but y'all, fortunately for me, I don't have to shave my legs. I don't have to shave my armpits. And of course, my face, I have a few gray hairs that grow that the IPL device cannot pick up. So that is why I have to shave my face for the most part. But I have not done my armpits in a while, so I will be doing that more than likely off camera, because I'm pretty sure last night I, checked under there, and girl, who knew I had gray hair under my armpits? And I felt a little stubble. I'm like, what is this? I'm like, well, lo and behold, but I did shave those, I just whisked those off, but I will go ahead and do my treatment. It may help abate them a little bit, but, chances are maybe not. But let me plug this up and get started on my face. This helps with my little mustache, my chin area, and I do now have a little hair that grows down the sides of my face, so we'll get that taken care of. Okay, that's just a string, girl. I thought there was a spider on me. That's a string off of my moo-moo. What? Y'all, why do we always promise ourselves that we're going to keep our vanities or our desk cleaned off, and we don't? And we still just let it pile up. We'll throw something else on it, do our makeup, and still mess it up. I don't know. I wonder that all the freaking time. But I just put this on the highest, y'all. Just put it on face, and then I put it on continuous, and it looks like that. And it's got the cooling on there, so that little snowflake, if you can see it, a little snowflake is the cooling, and that really helps it. You don't even feel anything. I don't, at least. All right, she's got to cool down, but I just finished that, which was not painful at all. And now your girl is just going to, kind of restore her face by doing a face mask. Because I already have the eye mask on here. We're going to go ahead and do just a sheet mask. Let's put that on to kind of do a little something, okay? Well, I have so many of these little face masks. I don't use them as often as I used to. Like I said, my days and nights are just tied up sometimes, and I don't get around to doing what I want to do when it comes to this kind of stuff. So, and for those of you all who had followed me on my other beauty channel that was deleted from YouTube, I was doing a lot of natural treatments. And baby, when the channel got shut down, I was pretty much at that point in full-time grandma mode, and I promise you it was just too difficult to even raise my hands to try to get to, this is awfully juicy, to try to get to whipping up some new recipes and all of that. So right now I just kind of take it a little bit slower. over there on that channel, but the channel Beauty by Sweet Angel is available for your, views. There, the videos are sitting there waiting on y'all, so head over there and check them out, baby, because I still got some good stuff that comes out over there. I just don't get to mixing and whipping. And then too, when my income was pretty much drained, girl, I just couldn't afford to be whipping up a lot of stuff at that time. So cold. No, your girl just could not afford doing that. Especially for me training, or especially for me, demonstrating what I was doing. So I would waste a lot of products because I was posting pretty much every day some kind of a regimen, some kind of a natural remedy routine. And same thing still applies, girl. I still put it on my hands. I showed you my nails right. I did my nails today. Like I said, it's Pamper Day. Oh yeah. And some time ago, I had mentioned to you all that I was looking for new moisturizers. I had ran out of mine, or was about to run out of mine. And I was so fortunate. I did end up getting 2 new moisturizers that I'm currently using. This is the first one here that I received from Lillian Naturals. I think I may have already talked about this before, but this is a retinol cream. High potency hyaluronic acid it can be used day and night, and I have been loving this one definitely. And then about a week ago, I started using this one here from Simply Vital. It is a collagen, retinol, and hyaluronic acid formula. So both of these are pretty much the same. I kind of use them interchangeably, just depending on what I feel like doing, So I have been enjoying them both a whole lot. This one is, I love this dispenser on this one though. Really, really nice. This one is super moisturizing as well. Just to try to help keep a little bit of the fine lines down and help keep the skin smooth. I can't stop it all, but I won't stop something. Okay, I'm going to stop something. But those 2 are super nice. So I have been using those in my routine. And y'all, this week, before the week is out, I do plan on going to get my feet done. And it's been a minute since I went to any kind of salon when it comes to, my nails or my feet. However, when I do my feet, I always use a urea cream. This is the new one that I just started using here. But this really helps to keep down that excess skin that grows. I say it grows. It just shows up from nowhere. Like, where is this coming from? Why? But this is by Fivona. This is the urea 40% cream. This is great. Again, feet, heels, your hands as well. And it contains salicylic acid as well. So this has been a lifesaver over, it comes with a little scooper. So it's just a white cream. But, even after you take your shower, honey, this is so nice. And it has lavender and tea tree in it as well. So I've been loving this a whole lot. So that is new products that I have been enjoying so so much. But I'm going to go ahead and finish up on my little pamper time on my face. I'm going to laser my armpits and just touch up my legs a little bit. I don't think, like I said, I don't have much growing under my arms at all. That is a rarity. If you see a piece of hair under my arm, it probably belonged to my husband. Anyway, y'all, I'm out of here. This mask is like going into my mouth, so I can't talk with it on. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish, probably trying to organize my desk a little bit too. So that is it for right now, but I will see y'all in the next one. For real. I promise you, I'll call you back.
But gray hair don't mean I'm through. It's just wisdom peeking through.